In the belly of an energetic little boy named Oliver, there was a vibrant world called Hungerland. In this land, vegetables and healthy foods always work together to keep Oliver's body strong and energetic. But one day, King Chips, the leader of the army of unhealthy foods, invaded the land of hunger. He said with a sly laugh, "It's time to make this land greasy and salty." He and his crew, General Puff, Lord Soda, and Duchess Cream Cake, attacked the vegetable village. The vegetables realized that they had to stop the King Chips, Captain Broccoli, the brave leader of the vegetables, along with Hero P, Mrs. Carrot, and Mr. Spinach, decided to form a team and go to the Chip King War. Captain Broccoli said, "We have to take care of Oliver. If these unhealthy foods win, Arash's energy and health will be destroyed." The group of vegetables went on a dangerous journey to reach the Fat Chip's castle. Lord Soda's crew tried to trap the vegetables in sticky soda, but with the help of Hero P, who was thrown like a ball, they passed this obstacle, Chocolate Mountain. At this stage they had to cross the large sugars. Mr. Spinach, with his super strength, opened a safe way for the group. When they reached the castle, King Chips and his crew were ready for battle. But Captain Broccoli and his team defeated the enemies using their abilities, destroyed the Puff army with precise throws, neutralized the sodas with her vitamins. With strong physical strength, King Chips was thrown out of the castle. After this battle, the land of hunger was again full of vegetables and healthy foods. Oliver also felt more energetic and better. The vegetables reminded Arash, "If you always eat healthy foods and take care of us, you will always be strong and energetic." This story shows children how important healthy eating, such as eating vegetables, is for their bodies.